Today we'll be going over the installation of EcoHitch part X6030S, which features a stainless steel receiver on a Volvo Polestar 2. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing for any future installs. Starting off, remove the screws located in the passenger side wheel well. Followed by the ones on the driver's side. Continue to remove the screws located underneath the vehicle on the plastic panel. Next, open the trunk and remove the two taillight covers. Remove the 3 hex head screws on each side. Now remove the bumper with the tail light still attached, making sure to unclip all the wiring harnesses as you go. Next, unbolt the 6 nuts securing the factory crossmember and remove the crossmember. This piece will not be reinstalled. Install your new EcoHitch in the place of the crossmember using the nuts removed in the previous step. Insert a bolt and washer through the frame and side plate to the remaining slots from behind. Secure with a nut, washer, and lock washer. Now you can torque all the hardware to recommended specifications. Using the guidelines in your instructions, trim an access port in the bottom of your bumper. Reinstall all the factory components, beginning with the bumper and wiring harnesses. Reinstall the screws on the tail lights as well as the tail light covers. Now reinstall the screws on the bottom panel of the vehicle. Finally, reinstall the screws in the driver and passenger wheel wells. Your hitch adapter is now ready to be installed using the supplied bolt and washer. Installation of your EcoHitch is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.